To build a French drain to last, you have to remove a lot of dirt. You're going to have to use a backhoe or an excavator, or be willing to do a lot of hand digging, that's for sure. One thing that I strongly am against is a trencher, the use of a trencher. It's very invasive. You can see how it just cuts up the turf. It buzzes through the sprinkler lines, makes a mess in general, but it really, how much dirt is it removing? You end up with a narrow trench. You put a 4-inch pipe in a groove that's about 6 inches, and you got a couple inches of stone. Then these guys don't have much dirt to haul out, if any at all, because then they pile it and leave it bumped up high and tell you it's going to settle, because they don't have any way to haul it out with their vans. For a French drain system built to last, you need to remove a decent amount of soil, a significant amount of soil. You need a large channel so that you can fill that channel full of stone. The more stone, the better the drain. I can't emphasize that enough.